How's it going, Tamers? So we're transitioning between BT4 and BT5 for the UK right now. We are looking pretty good. We have a case. Those are getting cracked open this weekend. We just want to let you guys see what else we could have pulled during this season. So we did buy 4 boxes originally. We didn't buy any more than that, but we did have this left over to crack. So we thought, you know what, we'll let you guys see what we brought. Let you guys see what we pulled. Now we could have done this as a live stream, or we could have done this just as maybe a YouTube live thing. Or we could have done this on Twitch. But I thought, you know what, do it quick, get it over and done with. You guys can see what we could have pulled or what else could have been in the series. Down to you really. I don't really think it would be a good idea to put this into the current series, like adding the extra cards in, because that's not really what this is about. But I just thought you guys like to see more card openings, as I think you guys actually do like card openings. I'd also like to thank the extra 45 people over the last week or so have added subscribed to the channel. You guys have been fantastic, it's been great, thank you all for being here. You've boosted our morale quite a lot over here. The sealed series doesn't really do that great in terms of view time and views, but the deck profiles have obviously been what people want, and it's great that people have come to actually watch them on our channel, so we do appreciate that. There will be some more deck profiles probably on the channel at some point, maybe things that we do here through the sealed only series, and we'll put them online. We are planning on doing a transitioning decks between current and new format, so obviously you guys are going to see what we have currently going into BT5. It would have been nice to pull that Palma for the series, but oh well, that's how good things are going to go, I suppose. Especially with the BT5 Palma, basically letting you put that back on the bottom and letting you burst it off again. It's very good, very good. What else? Is there anything good? Anything interesting? No, I think I'll just let you guys enjoy these pack openings for now, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for being here. We do appreciate your time and your support. It does mean a lot to us either way, so thank you for being here. Signing out, Agita Swiftly, Layla Swiftly, Vincent Swiftly, and DJ Swiftly. We'll see you guys soon. Peace, love, goodbye.